welcome to Physiology, and today I am your professor for today, Dr. P. How are you doing? How are you all doing today? Today we're learning about the heart. So today, let's talk about the heart. So first, we have the pulmonary side, which when you inhale, there will be an increase in intrathoracic pressure, and then there will be an increase in the flow of blood in the right side of the ventricle, and then what happens to them is that there will be less in the left. Okay, is that clear? So what happens when there is aortic stenosis? So first, it is close, open, close, open, open, close, close, open, close, open, close, and that is included in circulation. So, is everything clear? So, is there any questions? Yes, Alfie. That question is quite hard, but it's so easy. Hanap ka ng goma sa tabi mo. So class, is there any other questions that you have? Jackie. Jackie, please speak in English.
I know it's your favorite actress.
Is that a nosebleed?
Short of the Quran.
Sino, Jackie?
Ito si Heart Evangelista.
Yes.
Doktora, may SGD po ba tayo?
Sure. Anytime pwede tayo may SGD, basta ulit mga sagot nyo. Ano ba yan? Okay, see you. Goodbye.
Okay, good morning class. How is everybody today? Why are you all asleep? Is it because of my face? I'm very handsome. Is it true that I'm more handsome than Dr. Lim? Yes. Well, right now, since it's his night, he's more handsome. But anyways class, to wake you up, what disease is that called? Jackie. No. Yes? Yes. Well, okay class, the disease that you call when you forget your proteins is Alzheimer's disease. Okay class, that is your bio for today, and there will be another professor to brief you on this. Thank you class, and you may sleep again.
Don't put your finger on the bottom.
Tingnan mo kung ano para sa What's up?